What's up, y'all? I just got off work. It's almost dark. I'm gonna make this fast, quick, and in a hurry. I'm gonna try to, at least. First up, I got adopted by a stray dog. It's a good dog. I mean, real sweet and playful and good with the kids. Neutered male, so I know somebody's got to own him. So, look at him. There's a sweet dog. Alright. That's not what this video is about. But, you know, we got posts up on social media. I'm going to take him to the vet the next week, see if he's got a chip. Well, anyway, I was going to do an unboxing video. But what I was going to unbox ended up coming wrapped in nothing but cellophane. You can see right through the cellophane, you know, saran wrap. So it's kind of pointless. It's just wrapped up in some plastic with the sticker of my address on it. But anywho, this here is what I got. Hopefully I have enough light. Escrima sticks. But special escrima sticks. Got these off eBay. I know, big surprise. I bought something off of eBay. I've already tested them because I've had them for a couple of days. Took them to the dojo, me and my instructor, whacked them around. They didn't splinter, didn't break. They are incredibly light. The escrima sticks that my instructor has are not these light. They're much heavier. But they got scorpions burned all in the wood. Both of them. How awesome is that? I have only seen, you know, the tiger stripe burns, maybe a spiral, or just the plain wood. I have never seen some scorpion escrima sticks. They're 29 inches long, an inch longer than all the ones we use at the dojo, which works for me because everybody knows size matters. So yeah, I like these. I really like these. Yeah, I'm really losing daylight now. Anyway, y'all interested? Just look up on eBay scorpion escrima sticks and you'll find them. Got two different kinds, 28 inches and 29 inches. So, you know, there you go. That's it. 4 minutes. Not bad. See you on the next one.